VUL. VUL or Variable Universal Life Insurance is a type of insurance that combines with investment. Two-in-one siya. Meron kang income protection, meron ka ring investment. Pero ang main purpose pa rin nito ay protection. Ibig sabihin, meron ka pa rin guaranteed na protection just in case uncertain events happens like critical illness, disability, and disablement, or worst ay yung death. Guaranteed siya. Pero yung investment, which is the secondary purpose ng VUL, ay hindi siya guaranteed kasi it relies sa takbo ng market. Ibig sabihin ay kung mataas ang maganda ang performance sa market, then maganda din yung makuha natin from investment part. And this fund value that you can get from investment portion is withdrawable. So after, let's say for example, 5 years or 10 years, and merong enough fund value sa account mo, you can withdraw it. You can use, for example, may gusto kang bilhin, pagpatayo ng bahay, or di kaya naman ay magamit for children's education. It's up to you na. Pero again, the guaranteed part is the protection, and we have the secondary part, which is the investment.